Good morning. Today feels special. I feel very happy. What a beautiful morning. Today is my birthday. I feel so excited. This will be a fun day. I cannot wait. Today is finally here. My birthday is today. I feel super happy. This is the best morning. Mom and Dad must be awake. Maybe they have a surprise. I feel very excited. Today is special. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Huskey.
Breakfast is almost ready.
Thank you. Today feels very quiet.
You look a little sad. Eat your breakfast first.
Today will become special.
We must decorate very quickly. Huskey cannot see the balloons.
I am trying very hard not to laugh.
I will go upstairs now.
The balloons look beautiful already.
We must finish before Huskey returns.
I love birthday decorations so much.
Today will become unforgettable.
Nobody talked about my birthday today. Maybe everyone forgot this year. That makes me feel a little sad. I will stay quiet today. Why are you sitting here alone? Nobody remembered my birthday today. Maybe something special will still happen. I do not think so anymore.
The surprise is coming together nicely.
Huskey will smile very brightly today.
We still need the birthday cake.
Everything must look perfect before evening. You should not stay sad all day. Birthdays are supposed to feel happy. Sometimes surprises happen later. I hope you are right.
The birthday cake finally arrived.
Keep your voice very quiet. Huskey will become so surprised.
This birthday will feel magical.
I heard something downstairs. Why is everyone acting strange today? Maybe they are hiding something. I want to go and see. Quickly make everything look normal.
Huskey might come downstairs now.
I am holding the balloons carefully.
The surprise must stay hidden.
Why did everyone become quiet suddenly? We are only cleaning the living room. Yes, everything is very normal here.
You should relax and enjoy your day.
I think I saw a balloon behind the sofa.
Maybe you saw something colorful only. The living room looks normal to me.
You are thinking too much today.
We almost finished the the cleaning work. Why did you stop talking suddenly?
Everyone is acting a little silly today.
Something strange is happening here.
You are imagining funny things again. Maybe you need a little rest upstairs.
The living room is completely normal.
What is hiding behind the sofa?
Only some old boxes are there.
Nothing exciting is hiding there. You look very curious today. Look at these colorful ribbons instead. Why are you distracting me suddenly?
Mary only wants to play with you.
Today feels very exciting already.
Everyone is acting too mysterious today.
Maybe mysteries can become fun sometimes. Good surprises take a little patience.
You may understand everything very soon. Can you play outside for a few minutes? Why does everyone want me outside today?
Fresh air is very nice today. We will call you back very soon.
Everything is almost ready now. The decorations look beautiful today.
Huskey will become so happy soon.
We must finish before he returns. Huskey, you can come inside now.
Everything looks so beautiful now. I hope he loves the surprise.
Everyone stay ready and quiet.
Wow, this is all for me. Happy birthday, Huskey! We wanted to surprise you today.
Your special day is finally here. The decorations look amazing today.
I helped with the balloons too. We worked very hard for this surprise.
This birthday is very special for us.
This cake looks so beautiful.
We picked your favorite colors too. We wanted this birthday to feel special.
Today is all about your happiness.
Happy birthday, dear Huskey.
We are very proud of you today. I hope all your wishes come true. This is the best surprise ever. I did it! Yay! Happy birthday!
Great job, buddy.
That was a wonderful birthday moment.
You blew the candles perfectly. I feel so happy right now. This day is very special for our family. Open it quickly, please. I am trying very carefully.
Take your time and enjoy the moment.
We picked this gift with love.
Wow, I really love this gift.
I knew you would smile like this. Seeing you happy makes us happy too.
This birthday will become a beautiful memory.
Everyone smile for the birthday picture.
This will become my favorite photo.
I want to remember this day forever. Our family looks so happy together. This cake tastes so delicious. I want another piece already.
Today has been a wonderful celebration. This has been my happiest birthday ever.
I love celebrating with everyone today. Family moments are the most important gifts.
We will always stay together and happy.
Everyone worked together very well today.
There are balloons everywhere on the floor. I still cannot stop smiling today. This birthday became a beautiful family memory.
Thank you for making me so happy today.
We loved celebrating your birthday together.
Seeing your smile made everything worth it. Today was such a beautiful family day. I will never forget this birthday. I am already excited for next year.
The happiest moments are the simple ones together.
It is finally time to rest now.
Today was the happiest day ever. I will sleep with my new gift tonight. Good night, everyone, and sweet dreams. Today was the best birthday of my life. I feel very lucky and loved tonight. I will always remember this special day. Good night, everybody.
Huskey ended his special birthday with a happy heart. Family love made this day unforgettable. Tomorrow would bring another beautiful adventure. Good night and sweet dreams.